The following is a video to show you how to register or create an account in FreightWeb's Carrier Optimization Suite. From the login screen, you'll click on Create an Account. From there, you can click on whatever account type you wish to proceed with, Basic, Pro, or Enterprise. You will fill in your company name, your name, your email address, and phone number you wish to be associated to the account. You can also enter a password here. From there, you can view the FreightWeb Terms of Service and click on Register. Once registered, you can sign in with both the email address and password that you created on this screen.